the one more reason why I choose the AMD graphic card is because the monitor which I choose is supporting this. You can see AMD FreeSync. So if you are buying NVIDIA, it is something called G-Sync, and some of the monitor support. Hello guys, welcome everyone for another vlog. So in this vlog, I would be talking about my PC build parts and the components which I have used. I've already kept everything here since a lot of you guys were requesting me to make a video of the PC build which I have done. So I thought, let me do it. Where do we start from? Yeah, first thing is the processor. This is the processor which is Ryzen AMD Ryzen 7000 series. Yes, Ryzen 5 7000 series processor, and I'm using is 7600X. You can see this is 7600X Zen 4 architecture. So I was planning to get the 5600, then I upgraded to 7600. So this costs around I think how much? Let me check it. Yeah, this costs around 19,000 somewhere around. Yeah. So after that, the next is the motherboard, which is the B650 plus. You get the two options here. One is B650 and one is B650 plus. This is the B650 plus motherboard, which is better. So you can see them, the features and ports, everything. Have almost USB 3.2 supporting with most. That's what the latest trend is about. And audio, it has some better audio, noise cancelling, everything is what they are telling. Okay, I have to still try it out and use it. Yes, this is the motherboard which I'm using. I tried to get the white one, but I was not able to because my PC build is completely focused on the white theme. So the motherboard, which cost around that also almost same 19,000 rupees, is the motherboard which costs. And next is the core reactor power supplied, which I choose the 750 volt because this is better. Even 650 was good, but I thought 750 would be much better for my build. So yeah, this is around 8,000. So this costs around 8,000. So this is the gold one. We got another one silver also, but I got the gold one. So this is the 750 volt XPG. I choose all the, even the, what is it, the card for the storage, even for the storage and for my RAM, all those I choose the same brand, XPG only, because these are good. So this is the 64 gigahertz, sorry, 16 gigahertz, 16 gig RAM DDR5. So these are the two RAMs which I used from XPG. I also have installed the what do you call, the 1 TB SSD. Yeah, the 1 TB from XPG. I don't have the box, so that also I've already installed. So that costs around 5,000. And these two RAMs, which is around 8,000 or something. So this is the RAM. All three are the same brand, XPG. So we got some stickers, cool XPG stickers. So next, moving on to the graphic card. As you have seen in my previous video, it's from the AMD Radeon 9060 XT, the latest one which is released. It is pretty good. I've already tested for few of the games and my work. It is pretty good, and the design and even the overclock. This is the OC edition, so you can overclock it if you want. So we get 8 GB also in the same, and also we get the lower version also, which is of 2 fans also. You can buy that. That's slightly price less. So this costs around how much? Almost 40,000, or 38 or 40, somewhere around. The total cost, I will be updating the entire PC build cost. And I brought a crosshair keyboard. This is slightly better. This with a crosshair, it has some multi-functions where you can configure separately for your gaming or streaming, whatever. So this is the K55 RGB Pro, and this costs around 3000. And next, what is the cabinet we are using? There's some lighting less, just hold on. This is for the last. So this is the cabinet which I am using, the esports 690 air cabinet which I am using. So this is also around I don't know how much, I think around somewhere around 5000 or 6000 the cabinet cost. And I have a Cool Master. I don't have the box for that. Cool Master, which is the cooler which I am using. That I will be showing it later. That is around 5000. So apart from that, the main thing is the monitor. Let me show you. This is the monitor which I have used, the LG Ultra Gear ultra wide monitor, which is my favorite of all. So the one more reason why I choose the AMD graphic card is because the monitor which I choose is supporting this, you can see, AMD FreeSync. So if you are buying NVIDIA, it is something called G-Sync, and some of the monitors support AMD FreeSync and some of the monitors supports G-Sync. So you can make use of the graphic card better. So plan accordingly and choose your graphic card when you are choosing. So that is why I choose this AMD graphic card instead of one more main reason why I choose the AMD. So this is having like 160 hertz and it is pretty good. So this monitor costs around 33,000. So this is my total PC build. Let me should keep this monitor away. There are still few of the add-ons I need to do, which I'm sure will happen in couple of videos soon. Right now it's just the basic setup which I have done. So already configured it. So this is my work table and this is my gaming setup, where I have already brought few of the components. If you want to know more about my gaming setup, comment down below, I will show it. So this monitor I've already, so this is my PC which is there, it's already set up there. So just turn it on, so you can see it turning it on. What happened to the monitor? It's not, yeah, it's up. So this is a monitor which I can use it here for my gaming, and I can pull it back and I can use it here on my desktop also. So this is the, I have put a stand so I can use it both the sides, or else I'm planning to get a secondary monitor also. So let's see how it goes. So if you want to know more about my gaming setup, comment down below and I will be telling you more about that. This is about my sim racing setup which I have. So mostly I use this PC for my sim racing practice and games. Okay, you can see the monitor, so cool it looks. Let me show you the configurations of the PC. Where is it? Okay, it's here only, but not required. Is it different? Task manager. Okay, that's okay. I'll show from here. So as you can see, this is the thing. We have the AMD Radeon graphic card 9060 and AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. This is the CPU and the motherboard Aztec Gaming B650 Plus, and the RAM which I've showed from the XPG, and the storage also XPG. The model I forgot, I don't have the box which I said already. It's the XPG which I have installed. So this is the XPG Gaming S70 blade, which is the storage I'm been using. yeah, so that's how it is going. These are my system specs, and let me show you my CPU. Yes, the CPU. I'm still planning to have the proper setup, but it will take some time. Yeah, you can look at my CPU. This is the Cool Master I'm using for cooling down my processor and all. So that box is not there. So already I mentioned about it. And the graphic card, and they need to change this cable. I've already ordered white, so if it comes I will plug it and make it look better, this one into white. I think that's it. That's the one change I have to make for now. And this is the front fans. You can look at the front fans. Yes, it is cool. And we have a few ports which are already plugged in here. So my CPU looks like this. Yes, this is what my PC build is all about. I hope many of you got the answers what they're looking for. If you guys still want anything else, comment down below and I will be able to assist. Oh, I forgot to show one more thing. Just now I realized. Yes, this doesn't have this motherboard doesn't have the. So one more thing is this motherboard doesn't have the, what is it, the Wi-Fi, so you need to plug only through the Ethernet. So I bought this TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.2 PCL adapter. So I thought to get the one, but that doesn't support Wi-Fi 6, so that's why I brought an aftermarket for this one from the TP-Link. It's very good. It's compatible with the Bluetooth and everything. So you can see the Wi-Fi. This costs around 3000 or something. Yes, this is an add-on for the. There are motherboards which come with the Wi-Fi, but I didn't go for it because I wanted the same one. That's why I've added an external Wi-Fi adapter and also Bluetooth which supports. Yes, guys. So finally, that's it from my PC build. You can see the boxes lying up here. So most of all the parts has warranty around 3 years or something, some of them for some more years. Yes, so total cost I will be putting up here, the entire including the monitor. I will be putting up the cost here. Yes, that's it. So finally we got an answer to the PC build which I've done. Thank you everyone. If you want to know more, comment down below. And thank you guys. You have a great day. Bye bye. And please like, share and subscribe.